The Spicy Science, a brief and burningly funny history. Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, or maybe just a few thousand years ago, humans were just figuring out how to not die from eating random plants. Some of these plants were spicy. At first, it was probably an accident. Someone took a bite of a chili pepper thinking it was a harmless red berry and immediately regretted their life choices. But then something strange happened. They didn't die. In fact, they kind of liked it. Over time, humans realized that spicy foods could be a great way to add flavor and excitement to their meals. They started cultivating chili peppers and other spicy plants, and soon the world was a much spicier place. But why do spicy foods taste so good, or bad, depending on your tolerance? It's all thanks to a chemical called capsaicin. Capsaicin is a natural compound found in chili peppers and other spicy plants. When it comes into contact with your mouth, it tricks your brain into thinking it's being burned. Your brain, being the drama queen it is, sends a signal to your body saying, "Hey, we're on fire." This causes your body to release endorphins, which are natural painkillers. So, while you might be sweating and cursing, your brain is actually having a little party.